For the off-service test?
Oh, wow, oops. What time is class? Wait.
You're right.
Huh?
You're right.
Yeah, I know, I'm good. I just went down the wrong tube, you know? Where's the bathroom?
Go all the way down.
All right, thanks. Oh. Ow. Oh. That really hurt, guys. Oh, yes, you didn't hear me. Yes. Hey, man. Do you know where the pizza lounge is at? Oops, it's somewhere around here.
Pizza lounge? I don't know.
Oh. Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Yo.
Yo, what up?
We're right over there, and like I don't really care if you guys are talking, but like if you're like yelling.
Yeah, sorry.
That's what I was gonna say too, but.
Yeah.
Okay. See ya.
Hey, when do you guys get to reserve this?
What do you mean? What?
I thought there were like hammock reservations. I was wondering when you guys aren't using it for I can reserve it.
There aren't reservations.
Oh, there aren't? Oh, someone told me there were. I saw a bunch of people in hammocks.
No, you just kind of pick a spot.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Round two.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, sorry.
That's okay.
Actually, do you mind if you give me a haircut?
A haircut?
Yeah.
I've never given a haircut before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this isn't the haircut class?
No.
Oh, I thought they were meeting out here today.
There's a haircut class here?
Yeah, I thought so. I thought you were the
No.
barber.
No, not at all.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Well, you know what? Actually, I don't want a haircut. You're right. So, see ya.
Cheers.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh. You good?
I'm good, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just cheersing, you know. Also, Bethany told me to ask you if you're going to Aaron's house later with Cassandra. She said that you're going to bring Beth over.
I think you have the wrong person. My name's Ariel.
Oh, whoops. Darn it. Okay. Well.
Exciting time.
Yeah.
I hope you find who you were looking for. Oh.
Oh.
My God. Wow.
Got him.
Amazing.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like, You have anything else you want to say?
I'm good.
Do you guys want to say anything else for the YouTube vid? All right.